Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Wednesday, November 17th, 2021.
Please stand for the pledge to the flags. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
This month is Native American Heritage Month. Today we will be honoring author Joy Harjo of Muskogee and Cree heritage. Harjo began writing in 1973 and focused on getting rid of Native American stereotypes. In 2019, she became the first ever Native American Poet Laureate of the United States. She has also won many awards and was inducted into the Women's Hall of Fame.
Wow. Here's our Student Council President with an important announcement.
Past reps and officers, don't forget we have a Student Council meeting in Miss Kilpatrick's room tomorrow after school.
This week is College and Career Week. Education takes hard work, sweat, and determination. Wear your sports gear.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be partly cloudy with a high of 79 degrees and a low of 44 degrees. It's cold.
Today in history, in 1558, Queen Elizabeth I became Queen of England.
Ooh. In the headlines, 22 Dutch university students have completed a 1,800-mile road trip powered only by the sun to show what sustainable vehicles can let you travel the world without harming the environment. The students in the Netherlands say their van named Stella Vita is the world's first solar-powered mobile home. With solar power panel roof and wings that fold out with additional panels when parked, the team has doubled the solar surface, which generates even though energy to live and drive on.
On a sunny day, the Stella Vita can travel up to 453 miles within 24 hours and reach a speed of 75 miles per hour. Made for 2 people, it has a kitchen with a fridge, a seating area, bed, shower, and toilet. Today's word of the day is bombard. Definition: to hit, attack, or do again and again. Used in a sentence, the media bombard people with advertisement.
Today's fun fact is a turkey can have over 500 tail feathers.
Wow. Now here's Carter and Evan for the joke of the day. Hey Evan, what kind of key can't open a door?
I don't know what.
A turkey. Let's do a would you rather. If you play along, be sure to raise your hand and not shout out.
Would you rather be a dog or a cat?
Dog.
Would you rather it be Thanksgiving forever or Christmas forever?
Christmas.
Pretty hard. Would you rather have a pet panda, bear, or a pet zebra?
Zebra.
Would you rather have 5 brothers or 5 sisters?
Five
brothers.
brothers.
Sisters.
5 brothers.
Would you rather have the only beverage you can drink be water, or the only food you can eat be salad?
Salad.
Salad.
Water.
Water.
Salad.
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 Water.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Asher.
And I'm Bailey. That's Fiona, and that's Larry. Until next time, fly high, Falcons, bum, ba-dum, bum.